Welcome to Lesson 7. This lesson focuses on phonotactics and word stress, essential elements that define how sounds combine to form acceptable syllables and words in your Conlang. These rules give your language a unique phonetic identity and make it sound cohesive. What is phonotactics? Phonotactics is the set of rules that govern how sounds, phonemes, can be arranged in your language. These rules define allowed syllable structures, consonant clusters, vowel combinations, word boundaries, and restrictions. By deciding on these phonotactic constraints, you ensure that your Conlang has a consistent and realistic sound system. 1. Syllable structure. A syllable typically consists of 3 parts. Onset, the consonants at the beginning of a syllable. Nucleus, the vowel or diphthong at the syllable's core, required. Coda, the consonants at the end of a syllable. Common syllable structures. CV, consonant vowel, e.g., ma. CVC, consonant vowel consonant, e.g., cat. CCV, consonant consonant vowel, e.g., spa. VC, vowel consonant, e.g., on. Practice. Choose 1 to 2 syllable structures for your Conlang. Decide if certain structures are allowed only in specific positions, e.g., word initial, word final. Example. Allowed. CV, CVC, CCV. Forbidden. CCCV, CVCC. 2. Consonant clusters. Consonant clusters are groups of 2 or more consonants without intervening vowels. Not all languages allow clusters, and those that do often have specific rules. Questions to consider. Can clusters occur at the start of a word? E.g., tr dash in tree. Can clusters occur at the end of a word? E.g., nd in stand. Are there restrictions on which consonants can cluster? Example rules. tr dash and bl dash are allowed at the beginning of a word. mp is allowed at the end, but bn is forbidden. 3. Vowel combinations. Will your Conlang allow vowel sequences, diphthongs, or hiatus? Define which combinations are valid and whether vowel sequences form their own syllables. Diphthongs. 2 vowels pronounced as one, e.g., ai in pie. Decide. Which diphthongs are allowed? Do they behave like single vowels? Hiatus. 2 vowels pronounced separately, e.g., idea. Decide. Are hiatuses common or avoided? Are they marked with a glottal stop or other consonant? Practice. Create a list of acceptable diphthongs and examples of vowel combinations in your Conlang. 4. Word boundaries and restrictions. Define rules for where certain sounds can occur within a word. Initial restrictions. Are certain sounds disallowed at the start of words? E.g., ing dash is rare in English. Final restrictions. Are certain sounds disallowed at the end of words? Sound harmony. Do vowels or consonants need to match within a word? E.g., vowel harmony in Finnish. 5. Stress patterns. Stress refers to the emphasis placed on certain syllables within words. Decide how stress operates in your Conlang. Types of stress systems. Fixed stress always falls on the same syllable, e.g., first, last, or second to last syllable. Example. Polish stresses the penultimate syllable. Variable stress depends on factors like word length, meaning, or grammatical structure, e.g., English. Pitch accent. A specific syllable is marked with a pitch change instead of stress, e.g., Japanese. Practice. Choose a stress system for your Conlang. Mark stress in a few example words. Example. Stress is always on the first syllable. Nara, to sing. Elomator, builder. 6. Practice exercises. Create syllables. Write 10 acceptable syllables in your Conlang based on your phonotactic rules. Example. Allowed, na. Tor, kra. Lums, forbidden, slow, sra. Design words. Form 5 to 10 words using your syllable rules. Try to create nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Example. Kaluma river. Draka, to fight. Mark stress. Write a few words and indicate their stress pattern. Example. Elomator builder. Kaluma river. Next steps. In Lesson 8, we'll explore writing systems, covering how your Conlang can be represented visually. You'll decide whether to use an alphabet, syllabary, logographic system, or something entirely unique. Continue refining your phonotactics and stress rules to solidify the sound and feel of your Conlang. Happy conlanging!